All right, so let's begin with some examples and demos on how to use simple DAX formulas where we can start our journey of using DAX in Power BI. So for that, I'm going to select a blank report, like we're going to create a report from scratch. So I will start from scratch and I will click on blank report. Now here, what I will try to do is select Excel workbook, and under Excel workbook, you need to select data for Power Query demo, which I have also attached as a resource to this lesson as well. So you can find it in the resource. Make sure you download it and save it in one of your favorite folder, and then try to access it. So in this, you can select table 1. So yes, table 1 is the table that you need to select, and hit load. So the file will get loaded. It's a very small data which would be used for DAX calculations. And now I will check whether the table has been loaded. Yes, the table is loaded perfectly. Okay, so I would want to introduce to you all with the table view that we have in Power BI. So you can see the entire table here, not only in Power Query. So you can see this, and any columns that we're going to create with the help of DAX, we're going to do it from here. So yes, you need to select on this, the table view, right? And you will get this table that you can see here. Okay, now what we will do, the next step is click on new column. Okay, let's see like what kind of calculation we can do over here. So here we have quality 1 and unit price is 55,000, right? So we have quantities in this column and we have unit price. So one formula that we can think about is getting the sales amount, right? So the sale amount for the first row would be 55,000, correct? So let's try to name it sales amount. Once I name it as sales amount, I will try to understand how I can create a formula. So the formula would be, I need to use quantity and multiply it with unit price. So in order to do that, what I need to start typing is the table name. So if you type in the table name, you can find it here. This is the table name, right? So this would be the table name. And if I start to type table name here, table 1, what I would need is the units, right? Just a sec. Yeah, the quantity. Right, so the quantity, I got it. Now, what would be the multiplication sign? So this is the multiplication sign that we even use in Excel, or in most scenario, commonly it is used, right? So you need to use the multiplication sign and then continue with the other column, which has the unit price. So do you find? Yes, here it is, the unit price. And once we have the formula correct, right, you need to just enter. So now you will find that Power BI have calculated the sales amount by multiplying quantity with unit price. I hope you all got this. Make sure you try it out, and then we will move to few more formulas which will again help you to understand DAX a little bit more. So see you in the next video.